Welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to make beetroot halwa. It is a very healthy dessert which can be enjoyed during winter season or any festive season. It is a very simple and a easy recipe. So let's check out what all we need to make this halwa. So here I have taken one beetroot which is peeled and washed, 1 cup of milk, handful of khoya, half a cup of sugar, ghee and dry fruits. So firstly, peel the washed beetroot in this way. Here I am making this halwa in an aluminium vessel which will give thick and creamy texture. You can use a non-stick vessel also. Add the grated beetroot in the vessel, cook for 2 minutes, then add the milk, mix it well and cook till the milk is almost dried up. Next add the khoya, once again mix it well and let it cook nicely. After mixing the khoya, we will be cooking it once again till it is dried. Once the khoya is mixed, add the sugar. The sugar also would release some water, so we will be cooking it till the halwa is dried. If you feel the sugar is less, check and add it accordingly. As you can see, the halwa still has water, so we will be drying it completely. Once the halwa is dried like this and we get the texture, you can stop the cooking. Now in a small pan, add ghee, then the chopped dry fruits. Fry them well. Fry the dry fruits till they get golden brown and crispier. Now add the ghee and fried dry fruits to the halwa and give a good mix. So guys, our healthy beetroot halwa is ready. You can serve this hot or chilled. It's a very tasty and healthy recipe which you can enjoy with your family and friends. So do try this and comment below.